So this Curl Moisture is a regular price for $3.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. I did scan the item, and there is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. You want to buy both of them, use that coupon. They come out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. This is actually a product that I like to use, and I have used it several times. They have a few school supplies on sale. They have the mechanical pencils for 49 cents, the dry erase things for $1.49, highlighters 49 cents. They have erasers, another erasers, sharpeners for 49 cents, index cards 49 cents and 79 cents. Then they have a ruler for 49 cents, a projector for 79 cents, little mini notebooks 49 cents. Folders 49 cents, 49 cents. Now these are the plastic ones, and then they have the paper ones 5 for $1. They have dividers, other dividers 79 cents, sheet protectors 79 cents, and then they have notebooks for 79 cents, and markers, they have these for 99 cents, and then colored pencils for 99 cents, glue 49 cents, 49 cents, 49 cents. The Colgate toothpaste is currently on sale for $2.99. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $1.98, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be absolutely free. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points back. The toothpaste is $3.79. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, but you guys actually want to buy 4 of them and use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $10.16, but then you get 5,000 points for every time you buy 2 of them. So you actually will get 10,000 points back. Comes out to be just 16 cents for 4 of them, or just 4 cents a piece. Another toothpaste deal is they are on sale for $3.99. There is currently a 5 off of 3, so you can either use this coupon or you can use for the other deal, so it's up to you guys. But you want to do the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $6.97, but then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be just $1.97. I think it's like 67 cents a piece if you want to do that, but I think this deal is a better deal. The Arm & Hammer are on sale, or a regular price, for $6.99. They are currently buy one, you get 2 free. We do have digital off coupons for $1 off, but you can only use 1 digital coupon. So you guys would end up paying $5.99 for 3 of them. You can mix and match, but it comes out to be just $2 a piece. So you guys would pay $6, but then you guys can mix and match however you want to do it. Look what's on sale again, you guys. $1, and now it's on sale for 99 cents. Look at that. You guys can save a lot of money with that. The cereal, if you guys need some Post cereal, is currently $1.99. There's Honey Bunches of Oats, Life Cereal, Captain Crunch, and Cocoa and Fruity Pebbles. If you guys need a decent deal on garbage bags, they are currently $5.99. Here you get 28 of them. You got some 50-gallon or 50 bags, so if you guys need some bags, that's a pretty good deal. The Pringles chips are 4 for $5. We do have a $1 off of 4 digital coupon that you guys can use. It comes out to be just 4 for $1, or 4 for $4, so it comes out to be $1 each. The combos are 2 for $4. Now it does show in the ad that there is a $1 or $2 off of 2 digital coupon. I'm scanning it with the app and nothing's popping up, so I'm not going to do this deal. But if that coupon pops up, you guys will just get these for $1 a piece. They do have some backpacks on sale for $5. They're not the greatest quality, but if you guys need some backpacks, $5 is a pretty good price.